悯农is one of a few famous poems that every child in China is expected to memorize. Chinese parents will usually teach their children how to say the poem and ask them to recite it. Teachers at preschool will also test children on this poem as part of their class. Now, you are going to watch my 3-year-old reciting this poem at his preschool.
夫何欲当无恨的河下土，谁知盘中餐，粒粒皆辛苦。
So this poems describes the hardship that a rice farmer must go through in order to harvest the rice that will end up in the rice bowls of people. I love these poems because it teaches children about the appreciation for food, and this poem is often used at dinner table by Chinese parents in order to teach their children about not wasting food. If you are learning Chinese, I strongly recommend you reciting this poem because it is a good way to practice many different tone combinations in Chinese. And it is also a great way to learn about Chinese culture. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye!